In this video, we are going to discuss the structure of mustard flower. It is also called Brassica campestris. Brassica campestris is its botanical name. Now we will discuss different parts of the mustard flower or Brassica campestris. Here in this diagram we can see different parts of the mustard flower. If we start from the downside, we can see a green color stalk like structure which is called pedicel. Pedicel provides support to the flower. It actually holds the flower. At the top of the pedicel there is a flattened tip which is called thalamus. Thalamus provide base for the whole flowers. And from the thalamus we can see green leaves. These leaves separately they are called sepals. They are 4 in numbers in green colors, and collectively the 4 green leaves are called calyx. And when flower is in the bud condition, these calyx or sepals provide protection to the flower. The inner wall of the flower leaves, which are yellow in color, separately it is called petals. They are 4 in numbers, and collectively they are called corolla. It could be of different colors in different flowers, and because of this colors, petals or corolla are attractive to the insects. Inside, on the inner side of the petals, we can see filaments like structure which is called stamen. The stalk like structure is filament, and we can see on the top of filament we can see sac like structures. They are called anthers. Anthers contains pollen grains. So filaments and anthers, collectively it is called stamen. And stamen is also male reproductive organ in flower. Stamens are 6 in numbers, and the whole whorl of 6 stamen is called androecium. In the middle of the flower we can see a jar like structure which is called carpel. Carpel has 3 parts. The top of the carpel is called stigma, and the stalk like structure is called style, while the swollen part of the carpel is called ovary. Swollen part of carpel, ovary, ripened to fruit. It converts into fruit. Carpels are 2 in numbers, and both the carpels collectively are called gynoecium. Carpel or gynoecium is the female reproductive organ in the flower. Ovule inside the ovary, which is the seed. So this part make the fruit and the seed after it ripen to fruit, and the petals and the green leaves are removed from the flower and it convert to fruit in later stages. Here you can see all the parts of the flower are described in order. Pedicel, as we discussed, from the lower bottom, start with the pedicel, and then the thalamus, which is the flattened tips of the pedicel, which provide base for the flower, and sepals are the green leaves, and collectively they are called calyx. Petals are the colorful leaves, and they are collectively they are called corolla, and insects are attracted to petals or corolla. Anthers, as we discussed, is the male reproductive organs. It's a sac-like structure which contains pollen grains and the filaments of the stamens. So stamen consist of filaments and anthers. Stamens are collectively called androecium, and it is also male reproductive organ of the flower. And then carpel, which consists of ovary, style and stigma. Ovary is the swollen part of the carpel. It is important part because fruit are ripened here. It converts to fruit in later stages, and the ovule inside the ovary it makes seed. Here again you can see the structure of the flower, and look at these different parts. I hope you have learned something from this video. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel, and if you want to leave any comments, please write your comments in the comments box. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.